the Wi-Fi 2.4. I want to look at Wi-Fi 2.5 or 5.8 gigahertz. So now I'm going to go here, and again, you could, same thing. I could scan and I'll see any 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi that's being in here. And these two instances, these are actually out on the telephone pole. Relatively strong signal, Spectrum Wi-Fi and Optimum Wi-Fi. So these are access points, they're free hotspots. They happen to be out on the street, which is a couple hundred yards from here. So again, assuming I deem these secure or allowable and I don't want to alert on them, I could say I want to whitelist on it and click on these two, and then they'll disappear. And now they won't come up and alert anything anymore, and I can click on my whitelist and I should see those as well as, yeah, as some others that I've whitelisted. I can also clear the whitelist off if I wanted to by hitting clear all. And now it'll erase my whitelist. Now keep in mind, when you erase the whitelist, you will have to come back and whitelist them again. So you got to use that very carefully if you're monitoring what's secure and what's not. And again, look what popped up right away. Again, that access point sent out its beacon packet, and I could pick it up again and see that it's out there. You again could sort these by RSSI signal strength, strongest on the top, ascending or descending. You can also, when you have a lot of them, I can click and see which is the last detected, and it'll show you the most recent on the top if you're trying to focus in and find a target that you want to chase down that just happened.